Good afternoon, everybody. Mark Brownlee here with MCI. I'm the Senior Sales Engineer. I wanted to show you what we've got as far as products in the oil and gas market that we provide. Today, actually, we're in the middle of an FAT test, factory authorization test that we're doing. And what we have here is a switch rack, is what we consider it, for the central tank battery on a facility out in West Texas. We start off, we have power distribution. We have a lot of products that we can provide in the power side. We also provide pump panels and VFD panels. These are for transfer pumps. This particular unit is unique. It offers two options. You've got your main pump panel for your transfer pump, and then you also have the combination charge pump. Instead of having a bigger footprint, we can condense the unit and make it more efficient. We also manufacture here at the plant from scratch, all American made metal and produced here in MCI. We also produce the rack, the roof, and all the structural steel that you see. What you see here is the PLC. On the PLC side, it handles all the safety and controls for the tank battery. We have discrete inputs, discrete outputs, analog ins and outs. You can see the PLC basically handles all the I/O. They do a really good work, and we do a thorough FAT. We go through an entire QC process. Looking on down, this is really the control side of the entire rack. We handle more of the automation. The other side you saw earlier was the power side. This is the side that really takes care of the brains of the operation in a sense. We have power supply, we have battery backup, we have some transformers and some smaller pump panels. But all in all, this whole unit can control a facility for the oil and gas market.